Welcome back to Internet Affiliate Secrets, the show where we break down real strategies, real mindset shifts, and real opportunities for building income online through affiliate marketing. I'm your host, Lionel Drew, and today we're talking about something that can completely transform the way you approach making money online. Today's message is simple. It's time to stop thinking like a hustler and start thinking like a CEO. Now let that sink in, because too many people enter affiliate marketing with the wrong mindset. They think they need to chase every shiny object, jump from one program to another, spam links everywhere, and grind themselves into exhaustion, hoping for one commission here and there. That's hustler thinking. And hustler thinking keeps people broke, frustrated, and stuck. But the people who win long term in affiliate marketing, they think differently. They think like business owners. They think like leaders. They think like CEOs. And that's exactly what I want to teach you today. What does it mean to think like a CEO? A CEO doesn't wake up wondering what random thing to try today. A CEO builds systems. A CEO builds a brand. A CEO builds trust. A CEO solves problems for people. A CEO creates something sustainable. See, affiliate marketing is not about dropping links and praying somebody buys. Affiliate marketing is about helping people make decisions, solve problems, save time, earn income, improve their lives, or reach goals. When you understand that, everything changes. Instead of saying, "How can I make money fast?" you begin asking, "How can I bring value consistently?" That one mindset shift can change your future. Stop chasing, start building. Many beginners spend months chasing hacks. They ask, what's the fastest traffic source? What's the easiest funnel? What's the hottest product? What's the trick to go viral? But smart affiliate marketers ask, how do I build an audience? How do I build trust? How do I build a system that works while I sleep? How do I become valuable enough that people want to follow me? That's CEO thinking. You don't need another hustle. You need a foundation. The foundation of a real affiliate business. If you want to grow long term, your business needs these core pieces. 1. Branding. People buy from people they trust. Your name matters. Your voice matters. Your message matters. That's why I built Internet Affiliate Secrets. This platform exists to educate, inspire, and guide people who want freedom through affiliate marketing. When people hear your voice consistently, see your content regularly, and feel your authenticity, they begin trusting you. Trust leads to clicks. Clicks lead to sales. Sales lead to freedom. 2. Systems. A hustler works harder every day. A CEO creates systems that keep working. That could mean a YouTube channel bringing in views daily, emails going out automatically, landing pages, collecting leads, training videos, educating prospects, follow-up systems, building trust. Systems free your time. 3. Value content. If you want to win online, help people solve problems. Teach them how to start affiliate marketing, how to get traffic, how to stay motivated, how to avoid mistakes, how to build confidence. Every helpful video you make becomes an asset. Every podcast episode becomes an employee working for you 24/7. Think about that. Why most people fail in affiliate marketing. Let me be honest. Most people fail because they treat affiliate marketing like a lottery ticket. They join something today, quit tomorrow, jump into another thing next week, then blame the industry. But success comes to people who commit, people who learn, people who apply, people who stay consistent, people who understand that skill building creates income. That's why I'm so passionate about what we have inside the OLSP community. Why I recommend olsplive.com. If you've been looking for a place where you can actually learn affiliate marketing the right way, then I highly recommend you go to olsplive.com. This is where my mentor, Wayne Crow, has created an environment focused on helping everyday people learn real affiliate marketing skills. Not hype, not fake promises, not confusion, real education, real community, real support, real systems. And one of my favorite parts is this: you can earn while you learn. Let me repeat that. You can get paid while learning affiliate marketing. That means instead of waiting months or years to understand how this works, you can plug into a system where you're learning and creating income potential at the same time. That's powerful because momentum matters. When people see results early, they stay motivated. When they stay motivated, they keep learning. When they keep learning, they improve. When they improve, income grows. Hashtag why Wayne Crow stands out. There are many people online teaching affiliate marketing, but not everyone teaches with integrity. What I respect about Wayne Crow is the focus on doing things the right way. That means best practices, relationship marketing, ethical promotion, community support, long-term thinking, daily growth. That's what beginners need, not gimmicks. They need guidance. And if you're someone who wants mentorship and direction, this can be a strong place to begin. If you're starting from zero, maybe you're listening right now and thinking, Lionel, I don't know tech stuff. I've never made money online. I'm not an expert. I don't have followers. Good. Because many successful affiliates started exactly where you are. Zero followers, zero sales, zero confidence. But they had willingness. And willingness beats talent when talent refuses to start. You don't need to know everything. You need to begin. You need training. You need consistency. You need the right environment. Here's what I'd do if I were starting today. If I were brand new today, I would do this. Step 1, join a proven learning environment. Step 2, attend the free live training. Step 3, learn one skill at a time. Step 4, share value daily online. Step 5, build your list and audience. Step 6, stay consistent for 6 months minimum. Simple doesn't mean easy, but simple works. Build an empire brick by brick. Too many people want overnight success, but real businesses are built brick by brick. One video at a time, one lesson at a time, one subscriber at a time, one lead at a time, one commission at a time, one breakthrough at a time. That's how empires are built. Slowly at first, then suddenly. Message to the dreamers listening. If you know you were meant for more, if you know there's another level for your life, if you know you're tired of surviving and ready to start building, then maybe this is your sign. Stop thinking like a hustler. Start thinking like a CEO. Your future business deserves leadership. Your family deserves options. Your goals deserve action. And your next chapter may begin with one decision. If you got value from today's episode, do me a favor right now. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, drop a comment below, and let me know your biggest challenge in affiliate marketing. I read the comments and I create future content based on what you need most. And if you're ready to learn affiliate marketing the right way with mentorship, systems, community, free live training, and the opportunity to earn while you learn, go right now to olsplive.com. That's olsplive.com. And make sure you also check the description bio around this podcast for daily bonuses, extra resources, and more information on the OLSP Earn While You Learn program. This is Internet Affiliate Secrets. I'm your host, Lionel Drew. Keep building, keep learning, keep believing, and I'll see you in the next episode.